Infusing Flavors. Understanding Infuse the Oil. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the culinary world: infuse the oil. This phrase is not only common in cooking but also a great example of how English uses specific words to convey precise actions. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in both cooking and conversation. Infuse the oil sounds interesting, doesn't it? This phrase is a combination of two key words, infuse and oil. Infuse is a verb that means to steep a substance in liquid, usually water or oil, to extract the flavor or healing properties from it. Oil, as you know, is a common cooking liquid. So, when we say, infuse the oil, we are talking about the process of adding flavors to the oil by steeping ingredients like herbs, spices, or garlic in it. How exactly do you infuse oil? It's a simple yet delicate process. You start by choosing your base oil. It could be olive oil, coconut oil, or any other type. Then, select your flavoring agents: garlic, rosemary, chili peppers, etc. Heat the oil gently with these ingredients, allowing their flavors to meld into the oil. The key is to heat gently. Too much heat can burn the ingredients and spoil the infusion. Infused oils are incredibly versatile. They can be used to add a burst of flavor to salads, as a finishing oil for dishes like pasta or pizza, or even in marinades for meat and vegetables. The beauty of infused oils is that they carry the essence of the ingredients they're infused with, providing a subtle yet distinct flavor to any dish. Across the world, infused oils hold a special place in many cuisines. In Mediterranean cooking, olive oil infused with herbs is a staple. Asian cuisines often use oils infused with spices like star anise or cinnamon. This practice not only enhances the flavor of dishes but also shows the diversity and creativity in cooking traditions around the globe. And that's all about infuse the oil. We hope this video helps you understand this interesting culinary concept and inspires you to try infusing your own oils at home. Remember, cooking is as much about language and communication as it is about flavors and techniques. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!